And let's see if you can still use the capacitive. Yes, of course you can. This is an Apple first-party case. Hey Wear Noticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is Apple's clear case for the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So the box for this case is quite simple. It's just got a picture of the case as well as what iPhone it's for on the front. And it does say it is Apple's clear case. Over here in the back, we've got a picture of how to put the case on your phone. And let's just start opening this guy up. So we can go ahead and pull the case out. Now over here on the other side, we've got the case. Just pop it out and boom, now we're ready to put it on my iPhone. So now we can grab my iPhone 16 Pro Max right here and plop it in the case. These Apple Clear MagSafe cases are super easy to put on. Over here on the side, we can take a quick walk around tour of the case. We've got the action button. We can mute and unmute my phone right there. We've got the volume buttons right here. A bit kind of hard to press them. It'd be nice if they were a bit more clicky. Over here on the side, we've got the side button to put the phone to sleep, or also you can hold it down to talk to Siri, but I don't want to talk to her right now. I'm filming a video. And over here, this is the most interesting part, I think. It's the new button for accessing the camera control through a case. So I'm kind of curious how that works. So let's hold that down. And okay, now we open up the camera app. And let's see if you can still use the capacitive. Yes, of course you can. This is an Apple first-party case. So obviously Apple's going to make sure that works just fine. And that's kind of an interesting feeling right there. I think I prefer the way the camera control button feels without the case on because, you know, it kind of feels like, I don't know, a little less than ideal. I don't know how to describe that. So now some cases for the new iPhone 16s for the camera control have just a cutout. So I'll be interested to see how those cases operate, but at least it's good that this button is still protected here on Apple's clear MagSafe case. Then over here on the bottom, we've got a big old cutout for the speaker grills and USB-C port. And on the back, we've got a raised bump around the rear camera array. And as you can see, we've got all those MagSafe magnets. So that should work just fine. Awesome. But yeah, overall, if you guys have seen Apple's clear cases before, this is pretty much identical. Like here I have one on my 15 Pro Max, the last year's version of this phone. And really the only difference is that, oops, on this side, there is that new camera control button. So overall, I really do like Apple's clear MagSafe case. This is actually the case that I keep my iPhones in when I have them at home because it just feels so good, so minimalist. And I do love that it's an Apple first-party case too, so it kind of complements the design of the iPhone. Because, you know, after all, I did make a big deal of getting this new desert titanium color, this whole rose gold looking version of this phone, so I do want to be able to see it. Right. But anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about Apple's clear MagSafe case right here. If you do want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $50, so pretty standard case price. But definitely, if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 16 Pro Max cases, be sure to check out my playlist of all the different ones that I've unboxed here on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.